Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub, and we are going to start with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready to take the test?
Yes, sir.
Good, let's take a start. Do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a flat because I do job as a staff nurse in Shaukat Khanam, so I don't live in my hometown.
Okay, how long have you been living in that flat?
So repeat, sir.
How long have you been
Yeah.
living in that accommodation or flat?
I think so. 7 to 8 years ago, I lived in a host flat, and due to the reason of job.
Do you like your home?
Yeah, I like my home, but I have no time for leaving the
Can
home
you please bring the
because.
mic closer? Bring the mic closer. Drag isko aage kare.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine. So, do you
I
like your home?
Yeah, I like to leave my home, but I have no more time for leaving home because I do job, so I have no more time spent in my home with my
Okay.
family.
Which is your favorite room and why?
My favorite room, I have only one room, so I love this room, and I decorate my room, and everything in my room. I put my everything in my room, so it's only.
Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2.
Yeah.
Your topic is describe a time when you moved to a new house. Here is the topic, and you have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yeah. Last, I think 1 year ago, I changed my house because my previous house is no more facilities given to me. So I decided to change my home and another place. So I changed my hostel. So it's reason to change my home. So it's my home, new home give me a lot of things, facilities, and I like this new home because the previous is too much congested, and it's I think so it's better than before. So I think it's my better experience for this home, and so
Okay, thank you. We now move on to
yeah.
IELTS speaking part 3.
Thank you.
How easy is it to find a place to live in your country?
No, I think so. It's very difficult for other persons and me also because everywhere is no more facilities. Some places are too much facilitated, but and some and mm, I think.
Do you think it is better to rent or to buy your
I
house?
think so better buy house, but more people in our country use rent house because they have no more money and no more money and no more sources for buy the new house.
How do people like to decorate their homes in your country?
People decorate their own houses with many things like plants and with beautiful flowers and decorated pieces and with furnitures, different furnitures and lightning apply and with.
Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Mainly,
Thank.
you have issues, serious issues with sentence structure.
Yeah.
Grammatically, your sentences are not correct, and very frequently, you are making wrong sentences. So, try to focus your sentence structure. What you do, you communicate with words. People buy furnitures, decorate their houses, do this, do that. You don't have subject, verb, object thing. That's the first thing. Then you're mixing tenses, and most of the time you're making simple sentences, and even those simple sentences are grammatically wrong. So you should focus there. And then you repeat ideas quite a lot. Same thing, you say it time and again after two, because you don't have proper content knowledge according to the question. That's what you need to focus. So focus your structure, ideas, grammar. Looking at your present performance, generously I'll give you 5 band. It can be even less than that.
Yes.
Right? Okay, thank you.